subscribe the Kidzu channel and press the bell icon for more moral-based kid stories. Story name is The Farmer and the Three Sons. Once upon a time, a farmer had three sons. Before he died, he wanted to divide his property among them. He called them and said, "I have hidden a treasure somewhere in the farm. Whoever finds it will inherit the entire property." The three sons started searching the farm, digging the land. After many days of hard work, they didn't find any treasure. Just as they were about to give up, an old wise man came and asked them what they were doing. They told him about the treasure. The old man smiled and said, "The treasure was not gold or jewels, but the fertility of the land. By digging, you have made the land more fertile and suitable for farming.